everyone, I'm Kathy, the clumsysoaper. Soap making is my creative outlet, and this channel is all about soap making. Today, I would like to share with you on how to make paper soap. Without further ado, let's get started. The materials that we need today are melt and pour soap base, water-soluble paper, it is also known as dissolvable paper, soap colorant, skin-safe fragrance oil. You can also use essential oil if you prefer. Wax paper or freezer paper. Ruler. Microwavable container. Glass rod. Scotch tape. Scissors and cutter. Weighing scale. Cutting mat. Packaging containers. And you will also need an alcohol spray and a microwave. First, let us prepare the paper. Lay the wax paper on the table with the waxy part facing up. Take the dissolvable paper. It has a smooth and a rough side. Place the smooth side of the dissolvable paper facing down. It should face the wax paper. Then, secure the two papers together by putting a scotch tape at the corners of the dissolvable paper. Set it aside. Next, weigh the melt and pour soap base. You only need 35 grams to 45 grams to coat the whole paper, but I suggest to weigh at least 50 grams. I made this transparent soap base from scratch. If you are interested to make your own transparent soap base, I also have a video of that. I'll put the link in the description box below. You can also directly buy commercially available soap bases. Plain transparent or opaque soap base will do. You can also use any specialty soap bases if you prefer. Melt the transparent soap in the microwave. Set the temperature at medium and check the consistency every 15-second burst. Ensure that the soap base is completely melted. Add a few drops of soap colorant. You can also add a few drops of fragrance oil or essential oil. The color and fragrance are optional. If you just want a basic soap, the two main ingredients are just the paper and the soap base. Next, stir it gently with a glass rod. You can also use a bamboo skewer or a spoon. Now it's time to pour the soap. Take the paper that we prepared a while ago. Hold the wax paper in one corner and pull it up. Pour the melted soap at the top edge of the dissolvable paper. Then pull the wax paper higher. This will help to spread the melted soap in the paper. Pour the remaining melted soap. Then, hold the two opposite sides of the wax paper. Swirl or sway the wax paper around to distribute the melted soap. Repeat this step a couple of times to spread the melted soap and evenly coat the paper. Collect the excess soap in a container. You can reuse and remelt this later. If you notice any bubbles on the soap layer, you can spray it with 95% alcohol to pop the bubbles. Next, let it stand and air dry for 30 to 60 minutes until the soap set, cool down, and harden. After 30 minutes, remove the scotch tape to detach the paper soap and the soiled wax paper. Hold the paper soap carefully. Clean the edges of the paper soap by removing any excess soap. Place the paper soap sheet in a cutting mat. Using a ruler and a cutter, lightly score the soap paper sheet according to your desired shape and measurement. Then fold the mini paper sheets. Place it in the packaging container. I use a mini jewelry container. You can also use a cosmetic tin can. I kept the rest of the paper in the plastic container. You can also use a resealable bag if you like. The mini containers are good for traveling. Of course, our day will not be complete without our little chit chat. It's been a while since I posted the soap video because I've been very busy. Last month was my birthday month, so I've decided to share my process in making paper soap. I've been making paper soap since last year. I developed this technique using the melt and pour soap instead of a detergent. I noticed that most of the videos and instructions online uses detergent as the main ingredient. If I'm not mistaken, this video is the first video that uses melt and pour soap base instead of detergent. So, for the question of the day, what do you think about this paper soap? It is yay or nay? Let me know by writing it down in the comment section below. I really hope that you like it! Here are the paper soaps that I made. I have different colors and scent here. I still need to cut the rest into smaller pieces. Let us test the paper soap. First, take a piece of the paper soap. Wet the paper soap with water. Then rub it in your hands. Wash your hands as usual. Since we used a water-soluble paper, the paper will dissolve once it comes in contact with water. The soap would also melt too. I find that the 2 cm by 2 cm size is the perfect size for one-time use. hope that you enjoyed our soap making session today. And thank you so much for joining me. Once again, I'm Kathy the Clumsy Soaper, and if you are new here, I hope that you would consider subscribing into my channel for a weekly soap making video, DIY tutorials, and a lot more. Hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when I release a new content here in my channel. Just like you, soap making is my passion, and I would really appreciate if you can join me in my soap making journey so we could learn and grow together. Thank you so much, soap sisters and bubble brothers, and happy birthday to those who are celebrating their birthdays this month. God bless!